back to my YouTube channel. This is AG Update. So guys, this is a quick video on how to deposit your dogs token to your wallet in Telegram. So this update is mainly for those of you that participated in the dogs airdrop campaign to maximize your chance of getting a potential reward. So if you got in, congratulations. So if you don't have a Telegram wallet, I'm going to drop a video link at the description of this video that is going to guide you on how to open a wallet in Telegram or Telegram wallet. And for those of you that want to send your dogs allocation to your Bybit account, I'm also going to drop a video link at the description of this video that is going to guide you on how to send your dogs allocation to your Bybit account. So guys, for you to deposit your dogs allocation to your Telegram wallet, this is what you need to do. So depositing your dogs allocation to your Telegram wallet is free, but if you have to send it to any custodian wallet apart from Bybit OKS or wallet in Telegram, they are going to charge you. But if you are going to process it using your wallet in Telegram, it is for free. So what you just need to do is click on deposit to exchange. So you click on wallet in Telegram, then you click on continue. So you click on open wallet in Telegram, wait for it to process. Alright, so like I said, if you don't have a Telegram wallet, I'm going to drop a link at the description of this video that is going to guide you. So you are going to see wallet X dogs, blah blah blah, then you click on continue. Alright, let's get verified. Quick verification to receive dogs to wallet. You click on continue. Verification requirements, check your eligibility. Providing false information may result in restricted account function. You must be above 18 to meet the legal requirement of service. Your current resident must not be the USA, must not have other wallet account. So you click on confirm and continue. Okay, so what is your number? Share your Telegram phone number to get your basic verification level. So you click on continue, then you click on share contact. Alright, so put down your name, then your last name, then your date of birth. Then after that you click on send. Alright guys, so after clicking on send, you're going to see verification completed. Please return to docs to complete any remaining step. So when will I see my docs balance? Okay, if you click here, not to update you, but this is not important. So you just click on return to docs. Alright, so wait for it to process. Now click on withdraw to wallet in Telegram. You click on yap, keep going, confirm withdrawal of blah blah blah, then click on I confirm. Deposit is in progress. Now be ready for the listing on the 20th of August. Then you click on Wolf. Alright guys, so this is how you can deposit your dogs allocation to wallets in Telegram. So anytime the deposit is finally successful, then you can send from your wallet in Telegram to any centralized wallet of your choice to proceed with the conversion. So for those of you that opened multiple accounts, you can follow this process, then you are good to go. Alright guys, so I would love to hear from you on what you think about this at the comment section. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit on the subscription button. And this is AG Update, your friend in crypto. Thank you guys, and minimal grains to your wallet.